My name is Kevin Creative. Let's get started. We have got the question which is saying enter the following transaction to the appropriate accounts. 20x6 August 1 started in business with £7,400 cash. So this amount of money was actually the capital which this person, which of course we started this business with. So the capital account was actually an investment, meaning in this case, the cash account was actually having this amount of money, meaning it was debited, of course, because it's the amount of money which we started the business with. Then the investment was on the credit side of the account. So as you can see, we have got this amount 7,400 on the debit side and 7,400 on the credit side of the capital account. Then second August, we have got paid 7,000 of the opening cash into the bank, meaning the bank account was increasing by 7,000. Then the cash account was reducing by 7,000. So whenever an asset is increasing, it is debited. Whenever it is decreasing, it is credited. The same happens to the asset to the liabilities. The opposite of that happens also to the liabilities. So now in this case, the 7,000 is going to be on the debit side of the bank account and the 7,000 is going to be on the credit side of the cash account. Then the fourth one, they're saying bought goods on credit from J. Watson. Meaning J. Watson's account, we are going to record this amount for £10 on the credit side. Then the purchases account, because we are bought goods on credit, we are going to debit the purchase account. Then bought a van by check, £4,920. Bought a van is an asset. Whenever an asset is increasing, it is debited, meaning the van account, we are going to debit the 4,920, and the narration is going to be there is the check, it's the bank, of course. Then the bank is going to reduce by 4,920. So meaning in this case, we're going to record the bank on the credit side, 4,920, and the van account is going to increase by 4,920. On the 7th August, they're saying bought goods for cash, 362. So since we bought the goods for cash, 362, meaning the cash account decreased by 362. So whenever an asset is decreasing, it is credited. So meaning we credit the cash account by 362. Then they are saying bought goods for cash, meaning the purchase account had increased by the same 362. Then we go to 10th August, they're saying sold goods on credit 218 to LLS, meaning LLS received the 218 worthy of goods. The sales account gave out. So sales account credited. LLS account debited by 218. 12th, they are saying retained goods to J. Watson 42. J. Watson had received. So meaning J. Watson's account we debit. Our retains account we credit. Sold goods for cash 54. Sales account we credit 54. Cash account we debit because we're receiving the money in exchange with the goods that we're selling. Bought fixtures on credit from Firelighters, £820. Fixtures account we debit. Then the Firelighters account, since these are the guys with this is the company which is giving us the goods, we credit this amount. F Homes lent us 1,500, paying us the money by check, meaning the bank account had received this amount of money. So we record this amount on the debit side. Then F Homes account, we record this amount on the credit. We paid Joas on his account by check 362, meaning 368, meaning this amount of money was actually reducing from the bank. So the bank credited Johnson debit. We paid Firelighters by check 820. This amount, Firelighters Limited is going to be on the debit side, then bank account credit. Thank you very much for watching. You can give us a response in the comment section. You can also drop a question, any question that you have in the comment section. Okay, so now it's very much important also to open the trial balance just to see if these figures are going to balance. So now trial balance is only used for extracting or recording only the balances. If you look at this question, those accounts which balanced, we haven't included them. You only include those where you have balance carried down, balance carried down, balance carried down, just like that. So now, as you can see, this question is balanced. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.